Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Audery Eyong. I'm here to talk about dance. So some people might ask, what is dance? So dance can simply be defined as the movement of the body in a rhythmic way, usually to music and within a given space, with the purpose of expressing ideas or emotions, or just taking delight in the movement itself. So the point in time where people started to dance was very hazy because people say that dance came in before speech even existed. Before speech came into existence, dance was there because it communicated with gestures, emotion, and it let out emotions through actions, just as in the modern day ballet. The Lord of Dance, Nataraja, can be defined as a many-armed being balancing on one leg to show dance. Thank you.